Got a trout on. He just went down to the bottom and back up. Get in here, buddy. First one of the day. Oh man. That is a native one too. That is a native trout to this pond. That is cool. There's not a lot of them in here, but that is one. There's a couple indications that I can tell is the size of these front fins. The stocked ones in here, they're really small. He also doesn't have any clipped fins, and you can just tell he's different. I'll release this guy. Beautiful fish. There he goes. Right back down. Got a little guy on right now. There. Fish number 2. Yep, now this one is a stocked one. He's got a clipped fin right there. But a trout's a trout on the white golden retriever. Oops, there he goes. Got a nice one on. He jumped right out of the water. I think this one's definitely going to be a keeper. Yeah. Yes. That is a beautiful trout. Native one too. Another native one. That is a perfect size trout. So in this lake, you're allowed 2 over 10 and 1 over 12. So 2 fish over 10 and one of them can be over 12. This one's at 11. This is the perfect fish to catch here. And it's a native one, and he's gonna taste awesome. So we're keeping this guy. Got him on the white golden retriever again. That fly's been doing great so far. This is my favorite trout of the year. Got another one on. He doesn't want to come up. There we go. Calm down, buddy. That's a pretty one. Stocked one. See, stocked, you can always tell they got some flaw about them. But nice fish. There he goes. I was just gonna change my fly, and he bit it literally right at the boat. Looks like I got him hooked on here, weird. Oh, I snagged him, look at that. No way. Look what was just in his mouth.